Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 10 SE, and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here in this model it doesn't really matter in which mode we will be. It can be the photo or the video mode. It doesn't really matter because we've got all the settings in one place. So let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and now let's scroll down to the general options. On the third position we've got the timer, so let's tap on it, and here, as you can see, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Currently we've got the timer off, but we can set to 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use, and as you can see, it is notified right here that we've got the 10 seconds timer. So now let's go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10 or 5 or 3, which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. And as you can see, the camera flashed, so the photo has been taken. Of course, you can turn it off or change the timer to any other option, or keep it turned off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.